good to see you all again through this video. On Saturday, 16th September 2023, Harley-Davidson Brothers and Sisters met at Punggol Marina Club at 10 a.m. Punggol Marina Club is very beautiful and a lot of restaurants and pool fishing also available. We plan to explore first time on the boat's cruise to the northern shoreline of Singapore and Johor.
All the faces young and old, let the spirits broken, hear the words unspoken, still more stories yet untold. And I'm grateful still for the sun that shines before.
Good pagi.
This will be in your
And with every breath I take, I believe we are far through the night where the light is.
Hi guys, good morning to all of you. I did Ahmad, Francis, Leila and Ajit Dali. Win, okay. Now today the first time we're gonna take a cruise on a unique boat to the northern shore from the Punggol Marina. And if this ride is interesting, we're gonna plan for our group to have a ride and cruise in the future. So we hope you all will enjoy the ride today. So this is something like a Reccee cruise this morning to see the northern shore of Singapore, which we have not been before, and look exciting from now. So see you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're gonna see Punggol Jetty, Coney Island, the start of Pulau Ubin, which is the Tanjung Tajam. OBS Singapore, we're gonna go through Ketam Channel, see Pulau Ketam and Pulau Ubin. Then we're gonna see some Kelo fish farm and also stop over on the first floating restaurant in Singapore. So my boat hull is V-shaped, so try to balance the boat. You guys can move around, but just try to balance the boat. So wearing a life vest is not a compulsory, but you guys want, we have all the life vest is below here. Just pull this bit over here, then have life vest. Yeah, it's not compulsory, but if you don't feel comfortable, nak pakai kita ada. Alright, so we also have some drinks over at the cooler box. You can help yourself. Other than that, let's do this, guys.
Okay.
After the basic precaution about the boat moving off at 10:15 a.m. Our journey started.
Like the phoenix from the flames, we will rise up. Like the phoenix from the flames, we will rise up.
You can see Johor oil factories. Now we pass by Punggol.
Through the night, where the light into the morning after. Through the wild, it is bright. And from the flames we will soar forever. We will rise.
Of course, we are very near to Johor, to Malaysia side. So from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m, they can come over Singapore water to actually fish. But not using this traditional fishing rod, but they will use long 400 meter net. As you can see, some of them already start to cast, already start to pull up their net.
There is one here.
Yeah.
We had an excited and fun experience when the boat does the rock and roll due to the big waves created by the fast moving vessels passing by. We had few times experience. This place is called Punggol Settlement and Punggol Beach too.
We light our fire, we'll find our way. And time heals all things.
This is Coney Island. It's a very quiet island. You can enjoy in the weekend. Coney Island area 1.33 kilometers square.
Young and old, let the spirits broken, hear the words unspoken, still more stories yet untold.
We passed by Pulau Ubin.
Grateful still for the sun that shines, spirit, heart and mind.
This is Pulau Ubin jetty. You can take the local ferry from Changi village to Pulau Ubin. They will be alighting here. Pulau Ubin is bigger than Sentosa 2 times. Pulau Ubin area 10.19 km square.
I believe we are far through the night, where the light into the morning after, through the wire in this fight, and from the flames we will soar forever, we will ride.
The boat moved very fast. We all enjoy the sightseeing and felt boat's experience.
Grateful, faithful, ignite us.
We passed by Crab Islands, Pulau Ketam.
It's still Pulau Ubin. So Pulau Ubin is twice as big as Sentosa. Yeah, so up to date there's 68 residents that reside there. Yeah, most of them already transferred to the mainland. Yeah, but most of them can't survive from the mainland because it's not that happy for them. Yeah, so fishermen like wake up, go to the sea, catch some fish, relax. Simple life. Simple life. Also, these are some of the mangrove that we can see.
Now we pass by Pulau Ketam. It's a crab island. The early days, a lot of crabs over here, and it is a beautiful island. Here, kayaking boats are renting place. You can see over there, few people enjoy the kayaking. We pass by fish farm and prawn farms. Most of the fishes and prawns we use in Singapore, it's coming from these farms, and also they export to other countries. We saw the jet ski, but we have to get the license for it.
Through the night, where the light into the morning.
Changi airport is nearby only. That's why you can see more flights to get down here.
The flames we will soar forever, we will rise, we will rise, stronger together.
Wow, we reached the famous floating restaurant in Singapore. This is a seafood restaurant. The restaurant name is Smith Marine.
Find our way, and time heals all things, a little day by day. Everywhere that I go, see the people I know, all the faces young.
Hi guys, today ride is quite interesting. We start from the Punggol Yacht Club and we pass by the Northshore facing the Johor side, and we see fishing village, fishing boats, containers and little islands, plus all the kelong. There are many kelongs here, and it shows us that this route here is very interesting. Besides, now this is the first time we take a small boat and we enjoy the rock. And now we have stopped at this famous floating restaurant. We call it Smith Marine Floating Restaurants. So we're gonna have some food over here. So it's a la carte. So you can just order your crabs or your lobsters or any fish that you want that suits your taste. So we hope that we are coming again this time, and maybe with all of you who are interested, and I can organize for 2, 3, 4, 5 boats of similar size so that you can enjoy the rock. If you take big ferry, you don't enjoy the scenery, but you take this kind of boat, you know, the small boat here, you have a good view of the surrounding, and you enjoy the rock on the boat. That's it. See you all. Thank you.
We reached the floating restaurant to enjoy the lunch. Also visited the fish farm.
one behind. It's in times like these.
The restaurant is holding halal certification, so all the races can enjoy, but no alcohol served.
We're the light into the morning after. Through the wild, in this fight.
It's a very spacious restaurant and you can sit on the rooftop to enjoy the sightseeing.
We will rise stronger together. Like a phoenix from the flames, we will rise up. Like a phoenix from the flames, we will rise up. Like a
A lot of fishes, different kinds of fishes is available over here. You can choose to order for your lunch. When we feed the food for the fish, wow, a lot of fishes, we have seen it.
through the wild, in this fight, and from the flames we will soar forever. We will rise
And fresh crabs and fresh lobster too.
together.
This is the time for lunch. We ordered our desired menu. During this time, another boat also came and brought more visitors. All the dishes were very delicious and really enjoy our lunch. And we wanted to appreciate the restaurant manager. Pawara! Very nice, sir. Wow, finish our lunch. How was the food? This was a Indian cargo ship. It goes to Chennai. It's called Tiger Chennai. All were very enjoyed the trip and our tummy was so full.
We light our fire, we'll find our way. And time heals all things, a little day by day.
Now we return to the Punggol Marina. That's our departure location.
Young and old, let the spirits broken hear the words unspoken. Still more stories yet untold. And I'm grateful still for the sun that shines, spirit, heart, and mind. So
The floating restaurant roof had a lot of sugarcane plants.
get to be bigger than my fear. And with every breath I take, I believe we are.
Again, we got a rock and roll fun experience because we passed by big cargo ship.
Through the wild, in this fight, the flames we will soar forever. We will rise, rise. We will rise stronger.
This is our first boat cruise trip, so everyone was enjoyed and so excited.
Grateful, faithful, ignite a spark. May our deeds define us and our words remind us, all for one and one for all. Now the road
We reached safely to Punggol Marina.
no one behind. It's in times like these we learn to live. We are fire through the night. We're the light into the morning after. Through the wild, in this fight, and from the flames we will soar forever.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining us. This is our pilot for the day. So he took us around the northern shore, and I think it's very interesting. And you all should come join us one day. Thank you so much.
Wow, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Coming.
Our cruise captain Adzman was really so good to explain all the information, and he took care. Wonderful. Already told you, fishing prawn at this place available. We finished our trip at 1:30 p.m. Thanks for watching this video and see you again in my next video.